once said, "Tane, what kind of life I am living? Every day from hand to mouth, what a shameful life. Cause Tane, I better kill myself." Mr. Mane called Dodibo. He now went to the bush and climbed a tree. Then, after eating, he will hang himself. He already devoted shut up. Another man came and collected them. And the man started praying, "May God bless whosoever that make me to have my breakfast." And after he left, Oga on top of tree said, "I was thinking I have no shoe, and I saw a man without a foot. Jesus, forgive me. I will not die again." Conclusively, be contented with what you have. Music. By giving him a resounding yoke breaking praise. Shama, 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 shama. Jesus yoko, Odata no korwe, Oboro beri, Orwe kebe, Jesus never fail. Jesus yoko, Odata no korwe, Oboro beri, Orwe kebe, Jesus never fail. Whenever you come to a tough situation, give a tough praise. And when you see a gross darkness, bring a gross light by giving God a gross praise. Jesus never fail. Jesus never Mana bono bido, abona, 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 abona. Evangelist Edio, Ogoder Wobor Waseru, Omijiro. Odata no korwe, Oboro beri, Orwe kebe, Jesus never fail. Odata no korwe, Oboro beri, Orwe kebe, Jesus never fail. Hey, hey, hey. Nobody can resolve whatever God has resolved. Listen. When Moses was born, Pharaoh wanted him dead, but God said no. When David was to be crowned king, Saul wanted him dead, but God said no. And when Jesus was born, Herod wanted him dead, but God said no. He is the final say. Jesus never fail. He never fail. He never fail. He never fail. That is the I am that I am God. The El Shaddai. That's who you go. Odata no korwe. Oboro beri, Orwe kebe, Jesus never fail. That's who you go. Odata no korwe. Oboro beri, Orwe kebe, Jesus never fail. Abona, 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 abona.
vigilogene. Come a vigilante. The armor of Architect of the heavenly kingdom. The Urupe of the world. The Antaneru. Daddy, unto you we ascribe all the glory, honor, and majesty.
Odata no GODWIN. Oboroberi, your right can Jesus never fail. Jesus no more. Odata no GODWIN. Oboroberi, your right can Jesus never fail. Master Jesus is a Tokunadu, the money bright star. Odata no GODWIN. Oboroberi, your right can Jesus never fail.
Yes, Odata no GODWIN.
Man, Oboroberi, your right can Jesus never fail. Hey, he never fails. He never fails. He never fails.
Jesus never fails.
My Lord never fails.
Jesus never fails.
It's the same yesterday.
Jesus never fails.